So what happened in the month of March in the Las Vegas housing market? Did everything come crashing down or did it continue to rise? Stick around to find out. Hey everyone, it's Russell Haver with the Russell Haver Group at eXp Realty here in Las Vegas. And everyone wants to know kind of what's going on with the market. Is it going to continue to be crazy? Or are we finally gonna have just this smashing defeat, right? So don't have a crystal ball, right? But I can tell you what happened in the month of March here in Vegas. So what we saw actually was we saw closed sales were actually down 12% year over year, but we saw prices go up. So we saw them go from 450,000 median home value in the single family home market to 460,000. And then in the townhome condo market, we saw it go from 260 to 270. So what's going on? How are sales kind of going down and prices still going up, right? The big thing that we still have hanging over our head is inflation. If you've been watching these videos, it's just a constant reminder, right? The other thing we're seeing is interest rates going up. So, end of last year, they were saying, oh, they're just gonna go up to probably 3.75, right? That's what they were saying. Now they've shot past that, right? So, they're like almost a full point above that. 4.6 to 4.7 depending where, right? Some people still can get like 3.8 and everything like that. But you have that when you have inflation, you haven't seen like this in 40 years, consumer price index, and everyone feels it every day, right? Whether your heating bill, at the pump, all, etc. So it's one of those things where it's just, interest rates have gone up. And what's interesting about that is for every 1 point that it goes up, actually, you lose actually about 11% of your buying power, right? So for that 1% that it goes up, it's gonna cost you 11% more to get that home. So, the feds were talking about 3 more possible rate hikes towards the end of the year. But it's one of those things where it's like, if you're looking to buy, you really got to be able to get off the fence because the interest rate is something that's bigger than the price, right? Like I said, 1%, you lose 11%. And then think about that over 30 years, right? So that's something really to keep in mind. So, the other thing we do have, actually, we have off-market properties as well. We have connections with investors and people that, are curious about selling. So if you ever want to know about, potential off-market, let us know. If you're looking to still sell your home, it's still something that's a great time. Inventory keeps dropping, right? Inventory, the single family home, it's just a little around 3 weeks, and, with the condo and townhome, it's a little over 2, right? So inventory is still anemic, right? So you still have this where, new homes are taking a while to build, but it's just one of those things where the time still is excellent for you if you're looking to buy because rates are way below what inflation is, right? And as that continues to go on, you might get priced out of the market. Now, if you're looking to sell a home, there are options for you for potentially to have someone help you buy your next home for you cash, hold on to it while you're selling, right? So there are a number of different options. Also too, we have, like I said, we have contractors that will help you out if you needed to make repairs on the property or if you wanted to update it and you don't have the cash up front. They're able to work something out where you wouldn't have to pay until closing. So a lot of great options going on here. So we're going into the spring, which is always fun. But if you do have any questions, I hope you found this video helpful. But if you do have any questions on kind of what's going on in the market and kind of what your options are and how to kind of maneuver around, feel free to give us a call, 702-343-6388, or shoot an email, russ@haverproperties.com. Once again, thank you for joining us. Have yourself a great day. Take care. Bye.